See the job, power team maintenance, finish job, pressure washer, spool cream, and Bellevue. Use the job from power team maintenance. Look, power team maintenance, the telephone number is 352-342-0364. 342-0364, power team maintenance. You can call the telephone number is 352-342-0364, Ocala, Florida. You do the service in Ocala, Bellevue. Power team maintenance, the thing you can trust. Look, look this job. Look it. They were done by power team maintenance. Telephone number is 352-342-0364, Ocala, Florida. 352-342-0364. Thank you. Power team maintenance, the thing you can trust.